DJI's Mini series has been a popular choice for beginner drone pilots seeking a compact and user-friendly option. However, the recent Mini 4 Pro didn't quite meet expectations. While a good drone overall, its upgrades over the Mini 3 Pro felt minor, especially considering the price jump. This video explores what DJI can do to recapture the magic with the upcoming Mini 5 Pro, including a potential release date. The Mini 4 Pro, released 6 months ago, left many enthusiasts underwhelmed. While it boasted incremental upgrades such as an additional obstacle avoidance sensor and enhanced transmission range with OcuSync 4, the $150 price bump failed to justify these minor enhancements. As we eagerly anticipate the arrival of the Mini 5 Pro, enthusiasts have assembled a wish list of features they believe will restore the series to its former glory. One of the most anticipated upgrades for the Mini 5 Pro is an enhanced camera system. While the Mini 3 and 4 Pro offered respectable 4K footage with a 1x1.3-inch CMOS sensor, enthusiasts yearn for more. To truly elevate the aerial photography experience, the Mini 5 Pro is expected to feature a larger 1-inch sensor, capable of capturing stunning 4K images at up to 120 frames per second. This upgrade promises improved dynamic range, reduced noise in low-light conditions, and enhanced overall image quality, ensuring that every shot is nothing short of spectacular. In addition to a superior imaging system, enthusiasts are calling for an upgrade in internal storage capacity. With a mere 2 GB of onboard storage, the Mini 4 Pro often requires frequent media transfers, interrupting the flow of creativity. To address this limitation, DJI must equip the Mini 5 Pro with a minimum of 8 GB of internal storage, allowing pilots to capture more footage without the need for constant data management. Flight time remains a paramount concern for drone pilots, and the Mini 4 Pro offered no significant improvement in this regard. Despite the introduction of the Intelligent Battery Plus, which increased the weight of the drone, flight time remained stagnant. To truly unlock the potential of the Mini 5 Pro, DJI must innovate in battery technology, delivering a minimum flight time of 40 minutes with the standard battery option. This extended flight time will provide pilots with greater flexibility and freedom to explore the skies without the constant worry of battery life. As we eagerly anticipate the release of the Mini 5 Pro, speculation abounds regarding its potential launch window. DJI has shown a propensity for rapid product development, with the Mini 4 Pro debuting just a year after its predecessor. Based on this trend, September 2024 emerges as the most plausible release window for the next-generation Mini. However, without the anticipated upgrades, the Mini 5 Pro risks fading into obscurity amidst fierce competition. With the price of drones steadily increasing, consumers demand value and innovation in equal measure. At a price point of $700 to $800, the Mini 5 Pro must deliver on its promise of superior performance and functionality. A larger sensor, enhanced dynamic range, increased storage capacity, and extended flight time are non-negotiable features that will set the Mini 5 Pro apart from its predecessors and competitors alike. In conclusion, the Mini 5 Pro has the potential to redefine the compact drone market, offering enthusiasts an unparalleled aerial photography experience. By incorporating the requested upgrades and delivering on its promise of innovation, DJI can ensure that the Mini 5 Pro stands as a testament to its commitment to excellence. As we eagerly await its arrival, let us continue to dream of the endless possibilities that lie ahead in the world of drone technology.